Have you guys lost faith in SUI, however you pronounce it? I call it SUI, but all of my friends and a lot of people call it both ways. So, for this video, though, we're going to talk about the wait and see approach that we're going to get into and kind of how I'm viewing it right now as we look at the charts. I'm going to share with you guys kind of what's on my mind, everything related to SUI as we dive into the trading view, as well as kind of the crypto bubbles. We'll show you the overall market as we get into the weekend. So, welcome to the channel, though. If there's any new people out there, welcome. Appreciate you guys tuning in. This is a perfect time. Make sure you guys all subscribe down below right here on YouTube. Also, my handle for Twitter, X, is in the bottom left of your screen. And let's get down into it, okay? So as we currently are recording, you can see right now on the chart, SUI is down 5.8%, giving up some gains where we have got into the red over the past week, down 13% after SUI was on a outstanding little run-up. But it's something where we can't overlook the fact that over the course of the last year, we have been up over 321%. So getting as high as $2.23, I'll take it, right? I'll take it. I know SUI has not had a bull cycle. Historically, we have not had the 2021. So don't lose track of what we're seeing right now because this crypto is still so much more in its infancy since its inception that we've seen in basically of May of 2023. So we are still at some form or fashion almost all-time highs. And we did hit that all-time high just this month. So very bullish. We're still above the moving averages. We are kind of lagging below kind of what we're seeing right now as we look into kind of the close here, just a little bit below that one. Okay. But for me, guys, the biggest thing going for SUI is there is a lot of steam behind it. Okay. A lot of big timers. They're getting back into crypto. They're banking on SUI, and they are going to be the early ones getting in as well. Okay. If I'm just walking down the street and I can't give financial advice, and this is not financial advice, all right, it's just something I want to share. If a friend stops me and asks me what are the 5 cryptos that you should be buying, has no crypto knowledge whatsoever, you could pretty much mark my words that SUI would be one of those cryptos that are on that short list that I have of mine. Okay. And as always, make sure you do your own research and due diligence, but just kind of how I feel about it. And if you do feel that strongly about it, then celebrate this transition that we had into October, where momentum up did flash earlier on in September, and we have since became very, very bullish. And I think that bullishness is continuing. However, I do want to talk to you about the trading volume right now because we have plummeted 30% as, like I said earlier, traders are taking that wait and see approach. Now, before we get down into it, guys, if you do any kind of leverage trading, this is Margex. Check it out. Links down below. Right now, they're doing an airdrop where you do get free crypto just by using my link, registering, creating an account. But if you do trade on leverage, make sure you check out Margex if it's right for you and where you're located. Obviously, there's no KYC, so make sure that is on the up and up for where you're located. And another thing about this is leverage trading is extremely volatile. So don't go starting trading leverage if you don't know what you're doing. And if you don't know what you're doing, learn more. Okay. They have a great learning platform right here on their website. Also, you can check out the copy trading feature. Okay. If you start copy trading, create an account, log in, you can start basically learning what other people are doing at the top of the leaderboard. And from there, guys, you can experience the same gains and really takes the guesswork out of it. Okay. But like I said, links down below. Make sure you know what you're doing and it's right for you. Then start trading today. But I want to talk about what we came here to talk about. Now, this is the fact that the SUI trading volume has dropped 30%. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean a bad thing. Okay. An increase in trading volume could also mean that holders are also going to be selling. They could be liquidating. But as right now, we are seeing a wait and see approach. Okay. And this is something where we look at the trading volume down 30% in the last 24 hours. This is something where we failed to reclaim $2 despite reaching new all-time highs. Now, I'm going to just talk about that for a sec. Okay. Relax. We need to relax a little bit. Okay. Was not, and nobody was expecting SUI to hit all-time highs when other cryptos weren't. Okay. It's okay to have a bad week and bad month. Okay. This is not a bull cycle. This is not some kind of altcoin run up where it doesn't matter what day of the week it is. You wake up and all your crypto that you hold are into the green and they're exploding. It's not anything like that. It's not some big announcement from a meme coin with a tier 1 exchange in the works and we get 2 weeks, of 10 to 30% gains. It's just not going to be like that. Okay. This is a big layer 1 blockchain as of right now. Okay. We can talk about it in its entirety. $5.12 billion as we currently are recording. Now, if SUI is going to have a bad week, bad month, I'll take it. Okay, moving up almost 80 spots into the top 100 in total market cap, eclipsing a lot of projects that are well established. They've been around for a long time. I'll take it. Okay, I'll take a bad week. So I'll eat up this 12% very happily. Even though if you look into this article that I'm sharing with you guys, the interest in SUI continues to fade. Now, it's not going to be at the trading volume that we saw back when October hit, and we were getting some crazy numbers where we did reach all-time high. It's down 200 million. Okay. And even if the trading volume is 700 million, that doesn't mean all of that volume is buying. So that's something that's important to keep in mind. Now, if we use the trading volume and we couple that with a couple things such as the MACD as well as the RSI and a couple other metrics within the TA that stands behind crypto, then we can couple that with the chart patterns, then obviously have some momentum to build upon where we do see a bullish stance. Okay. But this drop in SUI's trading volume right now is something where we look at the market beginning to fade. Now, this is something where if we do see a price go up, despite the trading volume going down, that signals some bearish momentum. Okay. So biggest story right now is retesting that $2 level. Will we sustain it or will we just kind of sell off and will people take profits and run? And that's kind of why the overall sentiment about this is the wait and see approach. And to go alongside of this, some data from Sentiment, this is where we're seeing the long short ratio under 1. Okay. And that is something where we are close to that level. That is the average trader is not necessarily bearish, but they're just kind of hanging out, waiting on the sidelines. This is a very good metric to use. Okay. The long short ratio. Now, when we talk about this, if you do see this kind of drop below, like we are seeing this right now, it's a wait and see approach. And this is the clear indication. It's very black and white, guys. Most notably, I think this is something where we're going to use this to rely upon. People made a ton of money off SUI in the short term. Okay. 1 year went by. If you were from one of those early adopters, you are up so much money, you don't know what to do with yourself. So traders who just got in after this fall off, and we can see it right here, guys, say back in, the summer, June, July, August, and even a little bit of September. Okay. You're still up a ton of money. Okay. You're almost doubled, if not more than doubled your investment. And that's kind of why people are just kind of hanging out. They're greedy. They want more. This is trading a little differently than other cryptos in the market right now, in my opinion. Okay. So based on this, there is no recovery yet. Okay. But it's not saying that SUI can't go up for here. It's just saying that right now it's unlikely in the short term due to all of the TA that I presented to you, as well as the 20-day EMA. That's something where we've fallen below that. And that is the last time this has happened. We do want to echo the fact that SUI went down 62% over the time period of 4 months. Okay. So I'm not here saying I have a crystal ball and I'm the messiah to crypto. And I can tell you guys in 4 months time, SUI is going to do the exact same thing. And we are going to see that big drop off. I'm not going to tell you that because I am bullish on it. And I think that we could see a rally getting up as high as $2.25, possibly even to that 220 to 240 range, just, within a couple months. So I'm not ready to shut the door on it. I'm just kind of on the sidelines myself, taking that wait and see approach, despite being more so bullish for the longer term. Okay. That's what I got for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this piece. If you did, this is a great time for you guys to utilize that subscribe button right down below. Also smash that like button if you did like this video, and let me know what you guys have for a price prediction for SUI, or if you plan on selling it, taking profits, or if you're just kind of hanging out, waiting alongside the rest of us. All right. But that's what I got. Thanks. Enjoy the weekend, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.